Hi everybody, just a quick update. I posted on YouTube yesterday the Assassin Mini side spring update, just to quickly go through the differences. All of the kits went out today, so you should be getting them tomorrow. Basically, this is the Assassin Mini rear plate, and this is the swept back plate that goes on the hot rod or VRX Oes. So technically they look the same, but the ball is a lot further forward on the longer wheelbase car. All of the other bits are exactly the same. On your OES you would have either this in GRP or in carbon like this one. All you have to do is literally remove that little tag, because we don't use that screw with the side spring conversion kit. The holders have got that little indent, the same as the Assassin. They go on the side here, which holds the spring, and you adjust your tweak by those two side screws. Just so you can see, if I bring this up, this is the reason we don't use that part of the brace and that screw. So you take the side brace off, cut the side brace, so you remove that little bit and take out the screw, and then you have full movement on the side spring. All the same as regards to setup on the previous video for the Assassin. If you've got any questions, pop them to me on Messenger or via the YouTube page. I hope you enjoy the kit and speak to you soon. Thanks a lot.